Okay, we are going for the goodwill. Goodwill means the extra earning power or extra of the others. As like that, you are going to purchase the company goods. Why? Because that goodwill is good. Because you are thinking, that is fixed in your mind, if you are going to purchase the goods that is related with the company, that is sure and certain goods are goods, things. We didn't struggle with that things. Okay, that is called goodwill. Here, goodwill means when we are going to take the partners, new partner, old partners, retirement, death, admission of partner, retirement of partner, death of partner, or dissolution of the firm. On that time, we are going to calculate the goodwill of the firm. And how to calculate the goodwill of the firm? For that, we have three methods. We have three methods for the calculation of that goodwill. First is on the basis of average profit. That goodwill is equal to average profit into number of purchase year. Okay, beta? Goodwill is equal to average profit into number of purchase year. Then what is mean? Average profit means total profit upon number of profit. Okay? First we are going to take the total profit, divide by number of profit here, and then put that amount here, average profit, and then multiply with the number of purchase here, then you got what? Goodwill. Okay? Clear? However, the things 1, 2 and 3. 3-year profit is given. 80,000, 70,000, 40,000. Okay? $60,000. How to calculate? First calculate what? Total profit. And total profit is equal to 1,80,000. Then average profit is equal to 1,80,000 upon 1, 2, 3. 3, what amount is coming? 60,000. And purchase here just think 2 or 3 here. 3. Okay? Then put this system on the place of this average profit. 60,000 into 3, then goodwill is equal to beta 1 lakh. On this way we are going to calculate what? Goodwill. Clear? Going for the next. And next is the super profit method. Next is super profit method. Super profit is equal to average profit minus normal profit. I think you will know about the average profit, beta. Will know about the average profit. Just we are discussing about that, na? New thing is what? This normal profit. Then normal profit is equal to capital or capital employed or investment, okay, into rate of return upon, okay, into rate of return upon 100. Means maybe capital is there, maybe capital employed is there, maybe investment is there. We are going to take this, divide into rate of return upon 100. On this way we are going to calculate normal profit. Okay, beta? And then calculate the super profit, and goodwill is equal to beta super profit into again number of purchase year. Number of purchase year. Okay, beta? Then calculate an AP and then NP. Then put here only super profit, and this super profit put on this formula. Super profit into number of purchase here. By that we got the what? Good. Okay. Tell them some question. One question then. Read question.
1,20,000 and 180 during
80,000,
1 lakh
1,20,000,
1,20,000
1,80,000.
1,80,000.
Okay, beta.
The firm has capital investment of 5 lakh.
Capital investment 5 lakh. Okay.
A fair rate of return on investment is 15% per annum.
15%. Okay.
Calculate goodwill of the firm based on 3-year purchase of
So
average.
then goodwill is equal to super profit into number of purchase year, beta. Then super profit is equal to, beta, average profit minus now calculate the first average profit. Then average profit is equal to total profit upon 4 year, na?
Yes.
Here, how many years? 4. Total profit is, just calculate, 3 lakh, 4 lakh, 480. Then 480 upon 4, 120. It's got. And then normal profit is equal to total capitalized value is 5 lakh into percentage 15 upon 100. What amount is coming? 75. Huh?
Yes, sir.
120 and 75. Both you got? Then put on the formula. SP is equal to super profit is equal to average profit 1 lakh 20,000 less.
25,000.
What amount is coming?
45,000.
45,000. Then calculate the goodwill. 45,000 into how many year? 3. What amount is coming?
1,25,000.
1,35,000. On this way we are going to calculate goodwill on the basis of super profit method. Okay. Next and last, capitalized method. In the capitalization method, two things are there. First, capitalization of average profit and capitalization of super profit. Okay, beta. So first, capitalization of average profit is equal to average profit into 100 upon ROR. It means rate of return. Okay, and here goodwill is equal to capitalized value of average profit less capital employed. Okay, beta. This is the formula. First we are going to capitalize value. Just calculate the average profit. First we are going to calculate what, beta? Average profit. Then capitalize of average profit 100 upon rate of return. And then the capitalized goodwill is equal to capitalized value of average profit less capital employed. And capital employed is equal to anyone? Assets upon current liability. Assets upon current capital employed is equal to, beta, assets upon minus current liability. Assets minus current liability. Assets means total assets. Don't think fixed or current. Total assets minus current liability. Okay, beta? Put these all things and then get the goodwill. Second method is capitalize of super profit. This is equal to goodwill, beta. This is equal to goodwill only. When you are going to capitalize the super profit, that is equal to goodwill. It means the main formula is super profit into 100 upon ROR. Rate of return. Directly, super profit into 100 upon rate of return, what amount is coming, that is equal to goodwill. Okay, beta? It's clear, beta? Clear? Okay, now start the question.